In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the limit command. Here we have the table below, and we're going to select all from the sales table, but we're going to limit the result to 2 rows. There we go, 2 rows have come back. Now, just so you know, let's pretend that we were limiting it to 100 rows, but there's actually only 6 rows in the table. What will happen? It actually returns all the rows, it doesn't bring an error, it's fine with this. So, why would you actually want to use this? Well, let's pretend I go to eBay and I search for socks. eBay could bring back a massive long page. It would take ages to load and be really hard to navigate. So as a result, what they do, and many other web pages, is they bring up a certain amount on page 1, and then they have page 2, page 3, and so on. This is called pagination. So, how are we going to do this like eBay? Well, for our example, we're going to pretend that the first page will just have 2 rows of data. So, select all from the sales table, limit to 2, and this will bring back the first 2, ID1 and ID2. Now, how are we going to do the other ones? Because we're going to want the rows with ID4 and ID5. Well, we do this by putting 2 numbers after limit. The first one is the starting row, and the next one is the limit we've been doing before. Select all from sales table, limit, starting at row 2, bring back 2 rows. There we go, ID4 and ID5. Now you might be wondering why you could say that ID4 row is the third one. That's because it starts at 0. The first row, ID1 is 0, then we have row 1 and row 2. Let's play around just to sort of see how this works. This time we're going to bring back 3 rows. So we're going to start at the same place, select all from the sales table, limit, starting at row 2 and bring back 3 results. And there we go, 4, 5 and 6. And as you can see here, that is the 3rd row, the 4th row and the 5th row. And as you know, that's how the numbers work. So it's counting it as row 2 and doing 3 after that. Now let's do a test so you can see if you've learnt it and to practice. Select all the rows from the sales table where salesperson ID column is 8, but limit the results so only the first 2 are selected. I'm going to show you the answer in 3 seconds. And here we go. Select all from the sales table where salesperson ID equals 8 and limit to 2 rows. Please subscribe to this channel. There are lots of great training videos and tutorials coming.